New 2026 Honda NC75 Oki features.
The 2026 Yamaha TMAX 560 continues to hold its ground as the maxi-scooter king. For this model year, Yamaha focused on refinement rather than a ground-up rebuild, sharpening the design and bolstering the electronic suite to keep it competitive with the latest tech. Key updates for 2026. The most noticeable changes for 2026 center on aesthetics and advanced safety aids. Refined design. The front end is sharper and more aggressive, featuring updated dual LED headlights and position lights that give the bike a more predatory stance compared to previous iterations. Cornering ABS brake control. This is the major safety leap. By utilizing a 6-axis Inertial Measurement Unit, IMU, the bike can now calculate lean angles to modulate brake pressure more effectively in corners, significantly improving stability when braking mid-turn. Tech-forward cockpit. The 7-inch TFT dashboard is the command center. It offers deeper smartphone integration via the MyRide app and built-in full-map Garmin navigation, which is a huge convenience for touring. You don't need to mount a separate GPS.